Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by A Finch in 1877. See that black has all of their pieces in the centre, the king, 2 bishops, 2 knights and 2 pawns. White has the king, a pair of knights, pair of rooks, a bishop and a queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? There's a checkmate in 3 if you take the bishop with the rook. Pawn can take back, but then you can advance the e-pawn to check the king. Pawn can take back, but then you can move in with the bishop to checkmate in 3, but not 2. Moving the queen to b7 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2. Black can block the knight. One interesting line is if you move the queen back again and the knight moves to b8, then you can actually checkmate in 4 by moving the king to g7. If black advances the pawn, you can move the bishop in to mate in 4. And if black moves the knight to e5, you can take it with your knight. And after an exchange, you can mate in 4 with the queen. Moving the queen to d7 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2 because black can block with the bishop. After you take the bishop with the knight, the king has an escape square. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to take the pawn on f5 with the bishop. If black moves the knight on c4, you can then take the bishop with your rook to checkmate in 2. If black moves the bishop, you can take the knight with the rook on d4 to checkmate in 2. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.